Hi, I am Advent Giantrio from class 11 Science A. I'm here today to explain about how snow happens. At this time in Europe and the northern regions of the earth, the middle of winter, one of the interesting phenomena of the moment is winter snow. Be unique because the ice crystals are soft and white as cotton. It just comes naturally in the land of the four seasons or in places that are very high as Jayavijaya mountain peaks on Papua. But how does snow actually form? To answer that, we can start the process of occurrence of snow. Starting from water vapor that gather in Earth's atmosphere, the water vapor cools to the point of condensation, i.e., the temperature at which the gas turns into liquid or solid forms. Then rotate to form clouds. At the beginning of the formation of clouds, its mass is much smaller than the mass of the air, so that the clouds float in the air just like wooden beams which floats on the surface of the water. However, after the steam collection continues to grow and merge into the cloud, its mass also increases, resulting in when air was not able to hold him again. The clouds broke and the water particles ever fallen to earth. After it broke down, water particles that fall, it was pure water, or not doped by other particles. Pure water does not freeze in the temperatures of 0 degrees Celsius, because at the temperature of liquid phase changes to solid. To make pure water freezing, temperature required is lower than 0 degrees Celsius. This also happens when we are heating up water. Water evaporates when the temperature above 100 degrees Celsius, because at 100 degrees Celsius is the change of phase from liquid to vapor. To speed up the change of the phase of a substance, usually added special substance, for example, salt, is used to accelerate the phase of melting ice to water. Usually, the air temperature just below the clouds is below 0 degrees Celsius, or air temperature depending on the above sea level. But the low temperature alone is not enough to create snow. When the particles of such pure water in contact with air, then the pure water of distortion by other particles. There are certain particles that function accelerates the freezing phase, so that pure water is rapidly becoming the ice crystals. So the water particles, which are not pure anymore, join together with other water particles to form larger crystals. The next case, if air temperature is not to melt the ice crystals falling to the ground. And here's the snow. If not, the ice crystals melt and get to the soil in the form of rainwater. In many cases in the world, the process of the decline of the rain always starts with the snow someone she fell from the clouds, but then melted away when crossing the hot air. Sometimes, if the temperature is very low, the ice crystals can form small balls of ice and sleep. So this is how snow formed and happens. I am Advent Giantrio. Thank you for watching.